is here, and we've got crafts to beat summer boredom that you can do with your whole family. These are great for parents as well as kids and keep the whole family entertained while school is out. We are still giggling about the last one. New to Crafty Hackers? Then make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now check out these craft ideas for the whole family. Balloon vase. Here's a way to add some character to those boring vases. Stretch out your balloons and cut off the mouthpiece. Next, stretch the balloon over your vase. Pull the balloon into position until the hole is near the center of the vase. Now, pick your favorite flowers from the garden and put them in your vibrant new vases. From boring to brilliant. The I'm bored jar. For this, you'll need a mason jar, some markers, and a handful of craft sticks. Color the ends of the sticks with the markers. Like this. On the other end, write an activity such as read a book, go for a walk, make the bed, call a friend, or walk the dog. Mix the sticks up and place them in the mason jar, color side up. Use the top of the glass to trace a circle and write I'm bored on it. Add some dots for decoration. Glue it onto your jar. When you're bored, select a stick out of the jar for an activity to keep you busy. Family celebration board. Here's a fun way to keep track of your family's accomplishments. Get a glittery canvas, some craft dots, and a bit of string, construction paper, and craft paint. Use a ruler to make and cut out 1-inch squares from colorful paper. Cut out some larger squares too. Write the letters to spell out family on the large squares. On the smaller squares, write the letters to spell out celebrations. Grab your craft glue and glue the letters into place on the board. Get the craft dots, use puffy paint to paint numbers on them. The circles represent 12 months. Use hot glue to glue the numbers to the bottom of the board. Time for the string. Glue pieces of string under each number on the board, like this. Write the name and date of each person's celebration on a circle. Now, glue these circles to the corresponding string of the month. Now you remember every birthday and graduation celebration. DIY menu board. For this, you'll need a piece of cardboard and some decorative paper. Then, grab a small box and some clothespins. Use a glue stick to glue the paper onto the board. Make sure the paper is big enough to fold a small section around the back. Using a marker, write the days of the week on the clothespins. Now add some decorative paper onto your small box. Write Daily Menu on the top of your board and glue the small box to the bottom. Glue each day of the week clothespin in place on the board with a hot glue gun. Use a ruler to measure and cut 1-inch wide strips out of a piece of construction paper. These will be your menu items. Write your favorite dishes on each of the strips, such as mac and cheese, beef burgers, and any other dish you crave. Put the menu strips into your box, then plan out your weekly menu with ease by grabbing the menu strips from the box and clipping them to the day of the week. Voila! Straws with attitude. This is a sure way to make everyone giggle, and all it takes are a few straws and some construction paper. Draw a large pair of lips on a piece of red construction paper, and draw a mustache on a black piece of construction paper. Cut them out. Use an X-Acto knife to cut a hole in the center of the straw. Feed the straw through, and enjoy drinking your cool summer drinks in disguise. We hope you enjoyed these craft ideas for the whole family. Please comment your favorite craft ideas below, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the button in the upper right-hand corner. Thanks for watching, Crafty Hackers. Stay cool.